So we are going to fly this Phantom right now. So I've got everything ready right now, and let's go and fly this Phantom, and I'm going to show you what are the mistakes that's going on.
Oh man, I don't know where it went.
What the fuck?
It's just turned off on me. I have no idea. Just yeah.
Which direction did it go
I think that way, man.
Which direction? You said that way?
Yeah, that way.
Just check the location and stuff.
No, everything's just.
Shit, guys, I think we just lost our drone. We are going to find it. Did you know which place did it go to?
Somewhere like
oh, shit.
Yeah, the GPS is turned off.
Oh god. Now we have to find where the drone is. You said this direction, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so god dang, bro, I didn't even pay my installments on that yet.
Why is the screen turned off? What happened?
Because it lost its battery, I think so.
Shit, I didn't even see the battery, man.
Did you see the battery fall off or anything?
I don't know.
Dang.
Just randomly disconnected.
Okay, so you said it should be out here, right? Okay. Bro, these are like the places where snakes live. Holy shit.
Oh dude, I found
You found the... Dang. The landing gear. Oh, that's the battery. We found the battery. So as everybody was saying, it is true. The battery is falling off from the drone. Hold on to this now. Let's find the drone. God. Yeah. Oh yeah, found the drone.
Oh.
Oh God.
Is it good?
Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you for this.
Let me see.
Oh yeah.
No way.
I think, guys, because it landed on this bush, I think one of the propellers are broken. Otherwise everything looks to be fine.
Holy shit, dude.
Oh God.
That thing must have fell at least like 50
Oh God. You see that, guys? I always told Anton, you need to make sure everything is good. But I think Anton did good. It's just that the batteries are falling off from the spark. God. Oh hell yeah, bro. I almost had a heart attack. Oh God. Sorry guys, so we will not be doing any sort of reviews today. We are going to stop it. We had 2 crashes back to back, so I'm going to post those crashes online. And so adios from Opinions Matter, and Anton from
Check me out at Racy KG Reviews. DOS will have my link down in the description. And shit, man, you should show them how to attach a battery properly. Yeah,
I think I need to get a special accessory for you. That would have been worse, bro. And especially when it's hot out here, it might have turned up a fire. Dang. Alrighty guys, see you. Take care.
Later.